let's go into the use case one, right? Power BI is a powerful BI tool, but ensuring the report accuracy requires rigorous validation across the database. So Power BI to database data comparison ensures all those insights that you're visualizing, it aligns with the source records, and this is critical for financial reporting, compliance, and any operational insights. So this validation process extracts data from Power BI visuals and compares it with SQL Server, Oracle, Snowflake, or any other database. So automated tools like Datagaps BI Validator streamlines this by pulling the report data, applying the transformations, and verifying consistency through row by row and aggregate comparisons. So all the counts, the sums, the averages, and other comparisons. So error detection identifies missing, duplicate, or mismatched records, generating reports for resolution. So the framework also accounts for differences from Power BI's data modeling and transformations. Dynamic filter validation ensures the reports accurately reflect the filtered data, preventing errors in analytics. So integrating all this automated BI testing into data pipelines enhances the consistency across environments, your development, your user acceptance, your production, and streamlines that validation and ensures data integrity before reaching the stakeholders. The second use case is the DAX analysis.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo, scan the QR code below. Thank you.